My name is Honorable Comrade Joseph Iraola Akinlaya. I'm a member Federal House of Representatives currently. I was the General Secretary of the most powerful union in Nigeria, NOBEN. I was the Deputy President of Nigeria Labour Congress. I was Deputy to Adam Sodoma. So when I'm in Labour Party events, I am in my natural habitat. And to also inform the House that my signature was on the formation of the first Labour Party in Nigeria that was registered. Therefore, when I got the information from Dr. Barrister Dan Mwanyang, I accepted it without question. I also begged of my principal that I should go to the event. And who is my principal? Dr. Rahman Abayomi Olorunoje Mimiko. Dr. Rahman Mimiko. I have also begged of him that for what I know about the national chairman of ZLP, when I see the bowler hats on television, I am inspired. And many people don't know, and that I know, that he has three principal colors of the bowler hat. Anytime he wants to attack, he put the red bowler hat. Anytime he wants to defend the use, he put the brown. Then anytime he wants to launch the party or defend the Jews or raise the Jews, he put the blue one. He's an articulate person, he's a principled person, he's somebody that has integrity, and is a person that I want to follow in any party that he belongs to. But fortunately, he belongs to a party that has social democratic ethos and principle as its mantra. And that is the party that caters for the greatest good for the greatest number of people. And the youth will benefit, the women will benefit, the physically challenged people will benefit. I am not surprised that it's a party that has position for physically challenged. It shows caring hearts. And that this party came up lately has come to occupy empty space. If you look at all the political parties, constitution means nothing. Manifesto means nothing. They are the same. But when I pick the manifesto of Zenith Labour Party, I see a difference. I see a caring heart type of provision, both in the Constitution and in the manifesto. I'm also not surprised that he led a party that provides the best government in Nigeria in Ondo State from 2009 to for 8 years to 2015. So when he's back on the saddle, when he voluntarily went into political sabbatical, I was one of the people who urged him to come out. That the people need, Nigeria as of now, need people like him to come out into the politics of Nigeria. Because if you leave your dress for a dirty person, it's going to spoil that cloth. Yes. And that is why he has to come out. And I'm also urging, and he too have been urging the best caring heart governor that Nigeria ever produced, Dr. Olusegun Mimiko, is putting pressure on him to come back to this party secretary. To come and use the knowledge he used in Ondo State, transform it to at national level. Why? In Ondo State, with 500 naira, a woman will have a CS. And you will see the child, see the mother, and they still give you hospital back to go home. In Ondo State for 8 years. They reduced maternal and infant mortality to almost zero level in Ondo State for 8 years and got award all over the world on maternal care and reduction of this. We need that in Nigeria. Pregnancy should not be death sentence to women. It should not. People don't care in Nigeria. They don't care about what happened to you. They say you should go and bring 200, 300,000. And you are giving 22,000 naira to as minimum wage to somebody whose wife is pregnant and has to look for 300,000 for CS. It's inhuman. It's inhuman. It's not necessary. We are too rich. We are too rich in this country to be poor.
Yes.
We are too rich in this country to be jobless.
Yes.
We are too rich in this country to go to bed without knowing what to eat from the morning.
Whoa.
So these ZLP have come to fill that vacuum. And that is why I am here. And that is why I will urge my principal. I am completely loyal to him. Because he's a caring heart person. He's somebody who renewed the urban and renew the people with the urban. He does not break your shop just because you want to renew the place. He will provide alternative shop for you before he asks you to leave the street. It's somebody who, you are a mechanic, you are, in fact, the downtrodden people are the people that were his focus. Whether youth or old or this, but if you are downtrodden, if you are hungry, if you are a less privileged people, because there are two classes of people in Nigeria. They have and they have not.
Yes.
They have always exploited, they have not. And it's unfortunate.
Yes.
So I am here today, body and soul, and by the grace of God, I will be the first person when we resume October now to be legislator in the House of Reps of ZLP.
Give them to a round of applause.
Thank you and God bless.
Ladies and gentlemen, I need to get that. ZLP!